How to fix Cash App declining payments for your protection. If you ever had a Cash App block a payment for your protection, you know how annoying it is. The app does this automatically when its security system flags a transfer as suspicious to prevent fraud. Today, I'll show you exactly how to fix this and get your money moving again. So the absolute fastest way to clear a blocked payment is to verify the transaction manually inside your account dashboard. So guys, just open up your app. You can do this also on websites, as you can see, and then navigate to the Activity tab. Scroll through your history ledger to find a specific transaction that was declined or cancelled, and then tap on it. If Cash App flagged it for security, it will show a prompt asking if you recognize the payment. Just tap Yes, I recognize this to verify the action. This instantly just whitelists the merchant or recipient, telling the system's algorithm that you are explicitly authorizing the transfer so future attempts do not get blocked. Then if payments are still failing, the issue usually comes down to the account compliance. Cash App security filters are incredibly strict about fraud tracking. Open your profile settings and verify that any linked debit cards, credit cards, or bank accounts are registered under your exact legal name. If you try to use a card belonging to a family member or a friend, the system will instantly flag it as a risk and lock down the payment. Also make sure that you complete the full identity verification process in your settings, submitting your full name, date of birth, SSN digits, so the platform knows you are the trusted user. So try these steps, hopefully this will help you, and of course enjoy.